Hi dears, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about the chapter By the Hands of the Nature. From today onwards, we will start the fifth chapter, Ocean and Man. In this chapter, we will discuss about the features of oceans. Students, do you know, when viewed from the space, the earth looks like a vast expanse of water. The continents appear as landmasses projected in between. Nearly 71% of the Earth's surface area is covered with water. Land is confined to the remaining 29%. Oceans occur between the landmasses. The major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Arctic, the Antarctic, and the Indian Ocean. Each of the above oceans contain bays, straits, and several seas. The portion of the sea surrounded by land on three sides is called a bay. The narrow stretch of sea between two landmasses is known as strait. Sea is the portion of an ocean close to the land. The Arabian Sea is a part of the Indian Ocean. Let's see about the major oceans and its features. First one, Pacific Ocean. We know that it is the largest ocean in the world. Its total area is 165.2 lakh square kilometer. Its average depth is 4,280 meter, and Challenger Deep is the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean. Next one, Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. Its total area is 82.4 lakh square kilometer. Its average depth is 3,700 meter. Deepest point is Puerto Rico Trench. A 14,000 kilometer long mountain range known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge exists along the middle of this ocean. Next one, the Indian Ocean. Its total area is 73.4 lakh square kilometer, and its average depth is 3,960 meter. Next one, the Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean, and its total area is 14.09 lakh square kilometer. Last one, the Antarctic Ocean. Its ocean surface is frozen, and it is also known as the Southern Ocean. Its total area is 32 lakh square kilometer. Let's move to the next topic, islands and peninsula. First one, islands. Islands are land surrounded by sea on all sides. For example, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's see about the major islands in the world. First one, Sri Lanka. Next one, Japan. Third one, Philippines. Fourth one, Madagascar. Fifth one, Maldives. Sixth one, Victoria Islands. Seventh one, British Isles. Eighth one, Greenland. Ninth one, Iceland. 10th one, Sumatra. Last one, New Guinea Island. Let's learn about peninsula. The landmasses surrounded by sea on three sides are called peninsula. For example, Indian Peninsula. Three sides of the land are covered with water. Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and Bay of Bengal in the east. Let's see about the major peninsula in the world. First one, Arabian Peninsula. It is the largest peninsula in the world. Second one, Alaska Peninsula. Third one, Labrador Peninsula. Fourth one, Scandinavian Peninsula. And last one, Indian Peninsula. Let's conclude today's class. Today we discussed about oceans and its features. Along with it, we learned about the major peninsula and islands in the world. Meet in the next class with the rest of the chapter. Thank you.